I am Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean a gazing ball. Anything that you keep outside is going to get dirty, and gazing balls tend to collect water on the inside. Usually there will be a rubber plug over one end, and to clean the inside, you want to pull that piece of rubber off. Add some dishwashing liquid. Add water. Cover the hole and work it around. Just shake it. You want to rinse all of the soap out. And it may take a few tries to do this. To clean the outside, same thing, add dishwashing soap to a sponge and rub the outside of it. But you can use, obviously, since this gazing ball is glass and most of them are, you want to use dishwashing liquid to clean them, just like you would a glass that you drink from. Set it out to dry for about, however long it takes, an hour, 2 hours for it to dry and all the water to come out of it. Next, you want to clean it on the outside with a window cleaner to give it that shine that it had when you first bought it. There we go. I am Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you clean a gazing ball.